Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about the plant cell and the animal cell and what is the difference between the plant cell and animal cell. So let's suppose this is a plant cell. Plant cell on the boundary of the plant cell is called the CM or PM. We can call it cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or plasma membrane. Inside it we find the nucleus, and inside the nucleus we find the nucleolus. It is nucleus and it is nucleolus. So between the nucleus and the cell membrane we find the fluid-like substance which is called the cytoplasm. And around the nucleus we find this type of structure. We call it a endoplasmic reticulum or ER. Endoplasmic reticulum. Or ER. And inside it we found many cell organelles, like there is a star-like substances. We call it centrioles or centrosomes. And here is one more substance. Is a concave shaped. We call it is a Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. And there is a small, or we can say tiny substances which we call a vacuoles. There is also lysosome is also present in the lysosomes is also present in the animal cell. And there is one more cell organelle which is called as mitochondria. So this is the structure of animal cell. And there is one more thing, in the ER, on the ER there is a rough surface, or we can call it dot-like substances. We call it a ribosomes. If ribosome is present on ER, then we call it a rough ribosome. If ribosome is present on the endoplasmic reticulum, then we call it a rough endoplasmic reticulum. Or if there is no ribosome present on the endoplasmic reticulum, then we call it is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two types of endoplasmic reticulums: the surface rough endoplasmic reticulum or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now we will discuss the plant cell. So this we take it as a plant cell. So the boundary of the plant cell is known as cell wall. It is a dead. It is dead. While cell membrane and cell membrane, plasma membrane is living. Inside cell wall, we found another boundary. We call it is a CM or PM. We can call it a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Inside it also we found the nucleus, and inside the nucleus we found the nucleolus. And there is also a fluid-like substance present in animal cell also. Between the nucleus and the cell membrane we call it is a cytoplasm. and endoplasmic reticulum is also present on the plant cell, and Golgi body is also present on the plant cell, present in the plant cell. There is a large vacuole is present in plant cell, and it covers almost 90% of the plant cell. Mitochondria is also present. This is the structure of plant cell. Now we will discuss the difference between plant cell and animal cell. So it is clearly mentioned that cell wall is absent in the plant cell, while it is present in the cell wall is absent in the animal cell, while it is present in the plant cell. The vacuole, if we discuss about the vacuole, then there is a tiny and the many vacuole, more than one vacuole is present in the animal cell, but there is a single and the large vacuole is present in the plant cell. Centriole is present in the plant cell while it is absent in the plant cell. So this is the difference. Thank you everyone.